Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Guess what? I'm in a voiceover. Mic check, mic check. Anyway, welcome again to home screen setup. Yes, it's another tutorial, and this tutorial is so easy. In just 2 steps, you have this minimalist and aesthetic setup. By the way, sorry for the background. Okay, before we begin, let me introduce my cutie phone, the Samsung A22 in purple. I love this phone because it's color purple. You know what I mean. So let's begin. First step, to have this kind of minimalist and aesthetic setup, find a wallpaper. Of course, mine? Well, get this from Pinterest. So check out my Pinterest profile and follow me also. Okay, let's go to my gallery. So, I have this one, this one, this one, this, but let me choose this. So let us set up as my home screen. And for my lock screen. Next, let's go to the Play Store. Yes, here we go. This is my favorite part. Guess what? I found my perfect launcher. Niagara launcher. Fresh and clean. So for those who really want to have minimalist layout, this launcher is perfect for you. Niagara launcher has a vertical layout with super quick function. It has a quick access menu, just simple tap or swipe up and down to bring up the list of all corresponding apps starting with the letters. Using the Niagara launcher, I have to say it's definitely perfect for one-handed use. By the way, this is not sponsored. Niagara, baka naman, charot. Also, you can change the icon, just tap the apps, go to Niagara setting and tap the look. Here you go, you can actually resize your icon here. Tap the icon pack and choose your icon apps. We're done. So if you have any question, just comment down below. I hope you like this video. Bye!